Hello everyone! What could be better than spending a pleasant summer day at an amusement park or water park? Such places seem to be everywhere around the world and offer all kinds of fun rides for all ages. Here, however, sometimes very funny, curious, and sometimes shocking cases occur there. Some of them were even captured on camera, so you and I will be able to enjoy an interesting spectacle in full today. Are you ready? Then let's go! And now here is an attraction that requires human intervention to operate in semi-automatic mode. It all looks, of course, very strange and funny at the same time. I warn you right away, it's better not to repeat anything like this, otherwise the consequences can be very deplorable. In this huge frying pan, it is simply impossible to stay on your feet. Looking at this guy on the attraction, moving very quickly with his feet, it immediately becomes clear what exactly his talent is. It's necessary to be so fast. And here's another crazy roller coaster ride. The girl even lost her wig from high speed, but a little later she was able to find it, fortunately.
I low-key want to get back on the ride, but next time I'm gonna hold it down. My eyelash is coming up.
Before you take a ride on any attraction, make sure that your height allows you to do it. Otherwise, there is a risk of catching your head on the structure, as happened with the hero of this video. If you have problems with the vestibular apparatus, it's better not to repeat the mistakes of this guy who decided to ride the attraction. You risk also being in a blackout. This guy looked so happy that one random pigeon decided to hug him, and even such a collision did not spoil the mood, and the young man continued to enjoy the trip. This is exactly what happens to passengers when a bus driver suddenly presses the brake sharply in an emergency. Emotions and feelings are exactly the same. While you get to the pool with water on this long and colorful multi-lane slide, you will have to pass a series of tests in the form of small jumps and falls. The main thing is to raise your legs higher.